Hi, boys and girls. Mrs. Freeland here. Today, what we're going to talk about in your writing is another way to make it stronger. And another way we can make it stronger is something we've used in our other writing is a show and not just tell. So I'm going to give you two examples, one in the Dear Melanie letter and another one in a different letter, of how we can use a show, not tell. So in the Dear Melanie letter at the beginning, it says, "There's a big problem I think you can fix: bullying. One day, my friend at recess and I saw this kid grab another kid by her shirt and throw her against the gate." So that was a mini story that this person added in their letter to make their reason stronger because they have a story. Now, did they say, "I saw a fight," or did they really show what the fight was like? I think she really showed what the fight was like when she said one kid grabbed another kid and threw them by her shirt and threw her against the gate, right? So when the writer added that, it was really powerful because you can picture it happening. So she's showing us what happened. She just didn't say, "I saw a fight," right? She's really saying the action that she saw. So that's one thing you can do, boys and girls, is add a show and not tell in your story, which is kind of hard to do sometimes. So let's look at one that was a tell and not a show and see if we can make it a show. Okay, in this one, this says, "Dear Mrs. Wordle, I think we should have more play dates with Lily because it would make me happy, and you always want to keep a girl happy. And we get along together a lot. She should come play to my house after soccer practice or after school." Now, in this part right there, it says, "We get along together a lot." I think this is a spot where the writer could really talk about what she likes doing with her friend. And that would be a show. She says, "We get along together," but she doesn't show you that she gets along with it. She's just telling you we get along together. So what you're going to do is you're going to think about a spot where you just said something, but you could actually give some details and show it. So here's an example where she said, "We get along together a lot when we play Barbies or when we play outside on her swing set or when we play games in her room together," because that would have showed you that they get along together, not just tell. So you're going to look for a spot in your writing that is a tell, where you're just saying something is true. Like, this is this way, this is that way. And then you're going to really give a detail and example and show them that it's true. So this is a little bit harder to do, boys and girls. It's harder to find those spots because we're picturing them in our head, but we don't give the reader a picture. So find somewhere where you say something is happening and you have a picture in your head, and then share that picture in your head that you have. Just like the first writer did about the fight, right? She didn't say there was a fight. She said one girl grabbed another girl by the shirt and threw her against the gate. Wow, that gives me a picture in my head, isn't it? And it's very convincing. Makes your letter a lot stronger when you see really specific reasons and somebody shows and not just tells. Okay, boys and girls, I hope you can find those spots in your story and really make your letter strong. Have a good day writing.